Come along with me to the Vivo V30 series launch. The event was held in Kyalami at the racetrack. Vivo pulled out all the stops and left no stone unturned with this amazing event, from great food and even better entertainment. I mean, look, there was a lady playing a violin in a bubble. It doesn't get cooler and classier than that. The dress code was make a statement, and I took that literally and actually made a statement t-shirt. Shout out to Gifts Galore who made the t-shirt for me. I will leave the details in the description if you want to get some information on how you can get your hands on a quality custom t-shirt. We were treated with a very high-end fashion show, and the not-so-fashionista in me was geeking in my classic t-shirt and jeans combo. We then had the keynote given by the Vivo South Africa General Manager, Jay Yang, who took us through a journey of innovation, highlighting all the new features in the new Vivo V30 series. Over to the product table where we have the display of the Vivo V30 and other devices. The Vivo V30 is awesome, and one of its standout features is the Aura lights. The V30 series in South Africa will have two colors, Waving Aqua and Noble Black. Noble Black is easily my favorite because it has a matte finish and is fingerprint and scratch resistant. Another key highlight for the Vivo V30 is the fact that it's the slimmest smartphone with a 5000 mAh battery. Its thickness is actually equivalent to 2 stacked 5 Rand coins. I also got a chance to see the V30e, which is like the baby sister to the V30. It's slightly different, but is still a worthy phone with features like a Snapdragon 6 processor instead of a Snapdragon 7 like the V30. And it comes with a different camera setup. It also comes in two colors, velvet red and silk blue. Other devices were also on display like the Vivo X100, which is my personal favorite Vivo phone. The camera quality is insane. They also had the X Fold 3 series, and even though it gives rich uncle at the family meeting energy, I'm a fan of foldable phones. I will be doing full hands-on reviews of these devices in future videos where I will break down their full specs and features. All the Vivo phones are available at major cell phone retailers and compatible with the 4 major networks, which is Vodacom, MTN, Cell C, and Telkom. I also played around with the impressive Vivo Pad 2 and a whole lot of other devices on display like the budget-friendly Y series and the Vivo Watch 3. After all the fun with all the tech was done, the dance floor was open and they had a band called Ice and Fire who pulled through with amazing energy and great covers of all your favorite local and international old school and new school songs. I had a great time traveling from the 70s with Earth, Wind and Fire Septembers and then coming right back into the modern day with Rema's Calm Down. Here are some quick snaps of me and the goodie bags. It was a good, fun and exciting night, but also super exhausting. I hope you enjoyed my tech vlog and be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.